Wait, this clap animation was made with free images, no drawing. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how I animated this Rico character clapping his hand in Flipaclip step by step. If you are serious about learning animation, I drop free tutorials every week, so make sure you follow this page and subscribe to stay updated. Alright, let's jump straight into how I created this Rico animation. First thing first, we are going to import the character into Flipaclip. So let me click on that plus icon to create a project. Okay, so I'm going to name it Rico clapping animation. Okay, click on done. Then I'm going to add a background. So in this video I'll have a background of Flipaclip I'll be using. It is like a Rico style, so I will select the background over there and then set the canvas size. So this video is for YouTube, so I will set it to YouTube 1080p. Okay, then I'll click on YouTube 1080p, then I'll click on create project. Now we are on the interface of Flipaclip. Okay, so let me click on that three dot over there to import my Rico character. Okay, then click on add image. Okay, so that I can add the image of the character. Okay, so I will select. So you see this Rico character image you are seeing here, I actually created it using a free app. Okay, so no paid software. So inside Flipaclip, once you import your character, now make sure you position it very well, because that is the base of our animation. Now if you are wondering how I created this Rico character from scratch using that free app and you want to get the app yourself, just comment I'm interested. Okay, I will send you the link to join my WhatsApp channel where I send the free app and also guide those that want to learn animation properly. So and join my animation class. Alright, so let's move on and start animating the hand clapping. So I'm going to add the second image. So this second image is where the animation begins. So I have to scale this now. I have to scale up that second image. Okay, I need to scale up that second image because so that it will align with the first one. Okay, very important. Whenever you import a new image, use your transform tools to make sure that you move the character and scale it up so that they will match. Okay, so when you have the same size of the character, then you will have the animation is going to be, very much smooth. So you will use your onion skin to see the previous position, so that when adding a new character image, you can add it properly and your movement will stay smooth. Okay, so this is very important and it needs to make the animation readable. Okay, so now position it properly, and then when you are done, then you have to add a new image again. Okay, so this is the anticipation because the hand have already opened, so it is anticipating to clap. Okay, so always add anticipation to your character. Okay, so now this is the actual clapping. You see that the hand has been closed, meaning that it is now clapping. It clapped once. Okay, so whenever you are animating, always apply anticipation and ease in. Okay, you see those lines they are added over there, that's also exaggeration. That line exaggerated the air that is leaving his hand. So I believe that if you join my animation class, you will be able to know make your character and animation come to life. Okay, it's not just about moving the hand randomly, it's about timing, spacing. Okay, so that the clap feels natural. Okay, so that if you do your animation properly, it will look smooth and professional. Okay, and if you want to really understand animation movements, how to create cartoon characters and how to add actions like clapping, talking, then this is exactly what I teach in my 2D and 3D animation class. You will learn how to create cartoon characters and animation videos using just your smartphone or laptop. So if you are interested, just drop a comment, I'm interested, and I will send you the link to join my animation class. So guys, the hand is already clapping. I added just 3 poses. Okay, that 3 poses is what gave me this hand clapping, the anticipation, and then when the two hands are closed. So if you play the animation under looping animation, you will achieve this kind of animation. Okay, so I will now loop the animation so that it will continue to play seamlessly. Okay, so this is the key poses I use. Okay, you see the number 1 is just the hand getting ready to clap. Then number 2 is the anticipation, where you open your hand wide anticipating to clap. Then number 3 is the actual clapping. Okay, so if you set these 3 poses now and arrange it all properly, you will achieve a smooth animation. So guys, this style of animation is called cutout animation. So instead of drawing frame by frame, we use image that was generated through the app. Okay, so I'm going to use my brush tool to fill up this particular part that the app did not fill up. So I'll select the brush and then use black brush, black color. Then I will draw around this place to fill up this. I also turn down the size of my brush, so I'll just draw around this part so that I can add the eyelashes over there. Okay, so I'll continue adding more lines until it becomes thick. So always check your animation. If there are anything you need to adjust, you can always do that before you export your video. So by the time I export this video now, it will look, the animation will be smooth, you see, because of the character. I added the frame by frame properly. Okay, so guys, I will click on that 3 dot over there to export the video because I'm already done with the animation. So I will click on make movie. Okay, so once I click on it now, then I can be able to export this video. You see that my Flipaclip is a premium version, so if you want to get this app, comment I'm interested. I will send you the link to get this app. Okay, then I will click on make movie in order to export this video. Okay, as you can see, the video is already exporting, so I can now share it on my social media platform. So let us play the video and see what we have. Guys, you see the way the animation is looking so smooth. Okay, that shows you that I added all the frames properly. So now you have seen from using a free Rico images to importing the characters to adding clean hand clapping animation that actually feels alive. And the truth is, animation isn't about expensive tool, it's about knowing what to do and how to move things correctly. That is exactly what I teach in my 2D and 3D animation class, from creating cartoon characters to animating full cartoon videos using just your smartphone or your laptop, even how to monetize your animation skills. I also share the free animation app I use to, and I also give step-by-step guidance plus one-on-one mentorship with me, so you never feel confused or stuck. If you are ready to take animation seriously, use the link in the description of this video or in the comment section to join my animation class and get access to a well-detailed tutorial videos that teaches you everything you need to start creating cartoon videos confidently. And if you want to keep learning Rico animations right now, don't stop here. I've created over 30 Rico animation tutorials and the full playlist is waiting for you. Use the link in the description and watch the next Rico animation tutorial I posted on this channel. Before you go, like the video, follow the page and subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who loves animation. Now click the next Rico animation tutorial because the more you watch, the better you get animation. Easy.